the INC, from our point of view before, gets clumped as one of the cults, kulto, mga Manalista, Iglesia ni Manalo. I agreed to listen to the doctrines. Thankfully, pangalawang doktrina pa lang po, nasabi ko na, this is the truth that I have been searching for all my life. I need God, the real God of the Scriptures. And I need to find Him. Because if I don't, then what's living for? There's no joy in life. There's no meaning in life without finding God. Walang itinuro na hindi nakikita sa Biblia, na hindi mababasa sa Biblia. Tao nagtanong, Biblia sumagot. At doon mo makikita na ito talaga tunay. Walang hiwalayan sa Biblia. Walang room for haka-haka, opinion, or this is what I think about it. Wala. Tanong nila ako, ano pong pakiramdam? Tama po, sabi ko, akma po sa lokal kung saan ako nabautismahan. Mapalad po. Pakiramdam ko, mapalad ako. And I felt peace. That was the peace pala that surpasses understanding. Salamat po, Ama. Kasi I was not chosen because I was in any way special or better than anybody. Naawa lang po talaga ang Diyos.